it, Junior. We're in hot pursuit.
I'll keep your eyes on the road, your hand upon the wheel. Daddy, look out!
Fucking idiot. Oh my god, I tried to bury my stroke. Look.
That guy just cut the lane. We don't need to go to Costco anymore, but we still need to go to Egg if possible. No, don't.
You can think about it, but don't do it.
That's not a second lane, hello? Not a lane, brother. Holy shit. A long way, brother. That's one way.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
And the one size I saw him, yeah. Signing out, sign bitch. You're a dumbass. You're a fucking idiot.
Signed with the Tassie Devils. $1 a year. What about you? Have you got one for us?
I do. El Mencho, the Mexican drug lord, was very solid goals last year.
Incoming!
Nothing fixed a problem quite like a warm hug from mum, or the safe space of dad's embrace. But some kids won't ever get to feel that, unless someone like you
He just
is
does a
willing to take a
U-turn
chance.
in the middle of an
If
intersection.
not you, who will show them that love exists, and that the fear that...
This ain't just a rap, that's a fact, motherfucker. And it don't matter if you white or black, motherfucker.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness, what the fuck are you doing over there? That's it. Oh, the road's messy.
Fucking hell.
Whoa.
Whoa, what the hell? What the hell? Thursday night. Apparently they have...
There's your cousin Peach. Hey, you got the shakes.
Here he comes. Sandringham Football Club, did you say?
Yeah. I think it's Greyhound.
No, it's Whippet.
It's a whippet.
Yeah.
What a bunch of assholes.
Yeah, I'll say so.
Yeah, stop there, mate. You fucking dickheads.
This guy in the truck sitting up everywhere.
No. Fuck,
Fuck,
mate. Oh, this guy went to put the bloody...
That's easy for you to say.
Oh, shit.
He's a fucking temporary Australian.
Yeah, good indicator, mate.
What the fuck? You stupid bitch!
That you got last time, I got a different one.
What is it? What the fuck are you doing?
You said a bad word.
I'm sorry, but this anus, it just cuts me off.
I'll thank you not to use that kind of language in my prison.
I don't understand these people, I'm sorry.
Why did you turn that on?
Oh, because I saved the video because of stupid people who don't know how to drive. He's a fucking knobhead, man. Jesus Christ. People drive like this, why? What's wrong with these people?
Oh, hell yeah.
What are they?
Glaze leveler.
It was Thor. How did you not know Damo's favourite movie was Paul?
I thought Damo's favourite movie was Justin Bieber's
Documentary. Yeah, correct.
Well done, Damo. You
Loses
enjoy
the
Green
human
Pal.
centipede.
Cheers, guys.
Jackson.
On the large scale of the universe itself, in the galaxies and the stars and things like that. And look at the solar. Total number. Okay. Now that said, and I'll just stop with the technical mumbo jumbo in one sentence. The concept of zero-point energy, which is what the Scharnhorst effect is talking about, is still
trying to nail down like which lander they're using and all that stuff. And how could they possibly go land on the moon in 2027 if they haven't tested all of the new stuff out? So that's what this is the Doom engine, but it's basically essentially Doom for all intents and purposes. Now this is funny because the phrase "can it run Doom" is an internet meme. This is a big internet meme if you're in the biz. This is in 1997. Doom released its source code, and over time, Doom had been ported to all sorts of different hardware systems.
My, that's a big one.